James, tell me a little bit about what you're showcasing here today.
We are showing how enterprises are thinking big. Now, enterprises have been testing compute, edge compute, they've been testing computer vision and private 5G for a few years. But what's really interesting is they're starting to integrate those solutions and deploy today and really making a difference in their operations. And that's what we want to show you is actual customer deployments.
Now, I know that there are some deployments out there in the wild. Talk to me about how customers are benefiting from robotics in a warehouse environment.
Yeah, of course. So one of the solutions that is deployed today and driving meaningful business impact is Cactus. It's an autonomous cycle counting solution. So it's made sense to count inventory with drones for a while now, but drones typically only have a 15-minute runtime. So what we've done is pair together the drone with an AMR for around 8 hours of continuous uptime. So we can cover large facilities and give them really accurate inventory counts. So essentially the drone's going up, scanning barcodes and QR codes, and then using the private 5G network, sending that information in real time to their WMS, but also pulling information so we can see what they have versus what they think they have and create a variance report. This is some pretty meaningful business impact in terms of reducing audit times and allowing these companies to lend more against their total inventory value. We're also talking a little bit about a humanoid robot. It's a glimpse into the future and seeing what's going to be possible tomorrow. In terms of what's possible today, we're controlling these systems in real time over 5G using a virtual reality headset. So it allows an operator to physically embody the robot and perform a variety of tasks. In a warehouse setting, that might be inspecting suspicious packages, taking the human out of harm's way. But this is a pivotal building block as we work towards autonomy, because we can capture vision and motion and haptic data to ultimately train these systems to do these tasks autonomously, and that's the exciting future we're all looking forward to.
Yeah, autonomous inspection. What do you have there?
Well, I think people are used to seeing robots mostly at trade shows or in PowerPoint presentations. We have a different perspective on that. We put them in the real world. So we're here to show what we did with Hitachi Rail. We deployed robots there not to replace labor, but to work with the labor that's there, primarily to keep the people out of harm's way and safer while they're performing dangerous functions. There's an added bonus though. The robots are able to do things that people can't do, see in temperature, LiDAR types of environments. And so that combination of advanced capabilities and keeping people safer is really what the whole vision's all about.
Excellent, that sounds fascinating. Thank you so much.